first tip, and what I would say is the most important, is creating a schedule. So pretty much what you're seeing is I drafted this up because there's a particular way that I need to see my week planned out. So, please feel free to reach out to me if you want me to go into more detail, if you want to know more about that. But yeah, you really need to have a schedule, a study schedule. And the study schedule that I base what I'm going to do for the month off of is LSAT Unplugged. They had a study schedule based on how far away your LSAT is. So I purchased their study schedule, and I just tweaked. So I used their study schedule as a base to see like how I should track out my days, and then I just tweaked it based on what I felt my weaknesses were and put it into this planner that I created. It's like I was saying earlier, I need to see my month a certain way in order for me to be successful. And yes, you need to have something physical. You do not want to have this on your computer or on your phone. I do work full time. Whenever I have any downtime, I like to sort through these flashcards and just, look over them. Because anything that'll help me, like, strengthen my perspective on logical reasoning, I do. So I'm all done with work for the day, and I'm gonna start doing an untimed section out of this book. But my next tip is for you guys to buy as many of these prep test books as possible, and also do not write in here. Always write your answers on a separate paper. I'm all done with that practice test. I did 24 questions. As you could see, I wrote my answers on this side. If I had any notes, I took them on this side. So I'm just gonna go over the ones that I got wrong and see where I went wrong. So you guys, I'm all done with the practice test. As you can see, here are the answers that I did, and I wrote down the ones that I got wrong. Here are my notes that I took. It took me a while because I was going over what mistakes I made. So I went over what mistakes I made, what trends I'm seeing as far as the mistakes that I'm making, the question types that I'm getting mistakes on, such and such. So that concludes my study session. Please feel free to reach out to me if you want me to elaborate on anything that you've seen in this study session. Follow me, DM me, whatever you need. I'm here for you. I created my page to help inspire others while I'm on my journey. Anyone who is taking their LSAT for the first time, I definitely know how you're feeling. So, you're not alone in this. Just continue to stay optimistic. That's the main advice that I'll give, is be optimistic. Know that, all good things come from hard work. So I hope you all have a good night, and thank you for having me.